We are inside a residential building at USF in Tampa, Florida. And check this out, Schindler 3300, installed in 2017, I believe. Yeah, there are your fixtures. We're only gonna take a short ride because this is like a private residential building. You need a USF ID specific to this residence to get in here. And I came with a guest. I actually don't live here. Okay, here is the elevator lobby. We're in the other car now. So yeah, I decided to take one more ride, but that's going to be it because I don't want to stay here for too long, especially when I don't live in this building. Here we're at 6. Let's go. One, here's your cab view. Stainless steel cabs, as you can see. There's a camera right there. If someone's going down, that'll be it.